Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to change currency on Google Play Store. So let's get into the video. So open up your Play Store, and then once on your Play Store, log into your account, so your Google Play Store account, and then hit on your profile here on your top right. So click on your profile, and then you'll see a settings option there. So click on settings. Once you get to your settings option here, go to general option. So hit on general. When you get to general, you see an option called account and device preferences. Open it up, and then once this loads here, so here you will see under countries and profiles. So if you will see the country that's your current country, and then if you want to change the currency, then select the country that you want to change the currency to. So for example, you'll be able to change currency when you have moved to a different country. So when you have moved to a different country, you'll see that your present country option there. So you simply hit on it, and then that will change the country. So if you change the country, the currency itself will adjust according to the country that you have selected. Please keep in mind that this can only be done when you move to another country, and it can be only done once in every financial year. So I hope this information was helpful. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.